Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have quite a bit of stuff from Yall Post Books. If you've been around here, you know I'm a book lover. I love reading, my kids love reading, and actually my 8-year-old hasn't really been a big reader, not like my 11-year-old and I are, and she, in the last couple of months, has just done a 180 and she is all about reading, which has been so much fun because my husband's also a reader. So Yall Post Books is a kids book subscription. So they have YA books down to little babies. I'm actually showing off our subscription. So my 8-year-old, my 11-year-old, and my YA subscription. And then she put a top secret bag in here. I actually had to read a note from her about what is happening with the top secret bag. So we actually have some fun stuff coming up. If you're in the process of gift shopping, which I think we all are right now, make sure you go check out the Pink Envelope Holiday Gift Guide. It is on my blog. There is a link down below in the description that you can go check it out. And it has different genres like for him, for kids, for her, for the home, food favorites, fashion favorites, and you can go through those categories and shop some of the best subscription boxes there are. If you don't find something on that list that you love, I highly recommend you play on the blog for a little bit and check out our directory. Every day we are adding new boxes to our Pink Envelope subscription box directory. And of course, we have our coupon code website where you can hop in there, type in the name of a box, and pull a coupon code to go shopping with. So all of those things live over on the blog. You can sign up for our newsletter over there, and we have a whole brand new thing coming in 2023 with our newsletter. So if you would like to receive, right now we're scheduling 2 emails a month. It's not a lot, it's really chill. Exclusive giveaways and exclusive offers, go hit up that newsletter. And then of course we have the Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group where we're always hanging out, chatting, talking about things we love, things we don't love, and of course sharing more exclusive offers there. I also release subscription boxes early there every once in a while. So that's a good one to know. I talked to Cassie, who owns Yall Post Books, and we decided we're going to do a fun little giveaway throughout this video. And we'll do 4 giveaways in this. So one person will get a larger $20 grab bag, and 3 people will get her smaller $10 grab bags. And how we'll do it is, the first person to figure out the word that Cassie and I have in our mind using the letters provided wins the $20 gift bag. The 3 most creative words, and Cassie and I will vote on this, will win $10 gift bag. So we'll have 4 total winners. I will reply to your comment from here, from this Pink Envelope channel. Not from WhatsApp, not from text message, not from anything else. So I'll reply to your comment. I will also update the description with everybody's names who wins. And we will have 4 people walking away with grab bags full of books just in time for Christmas. So share this with a friend. If you have a friend who has kiddos, this would be a great time to hook them up with some books. Okay, Yall Post Books is a kids book subscription. They have 3 box options for 5 age range group. She has 0 to 3, 4 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13, and then the 14 and up. So that's how she breaks them into different categories. Prices start at only $14.99 a month and go up. She has options that get as expensive as $33.95 a month. She has gift box and one-time options, and something that is really cool is I have my normal coupon code. Pink Envelope gets you 15% off. That's always in existence. But right now, Cassie said, Pink Envelope gets a limited time exclusive offer, early Black Friday access. Use the coupon code here to get 25% off your entire subscription purchase. And you can use this coupon code right here to get 15% off a regular or deluxe gift box. Yall Post grab bags for $10 will also be starting available today. Heads up, these sell out fast. Tell the Pink Envelope crew first. So there you go. She's opening all of these things for us starting today as of the release of this video. She also said that she will ship boxes to ensure your gift arrives when you want it to arrive. So when you are checking out, you're going to be able to input the date you want your gift to arrive, and she will ship your box accordingly. So let's say you're not celebrating Christmas on Christmas Day, you're celebrating a week early or a week later, you could put that in and she'll make sure that your box ships at the right time for it to arrive for your gift. Okay, so here's the real question. Do we want to start with Top Secret? Of course not. Of course we have to wait on that. This is Emma's 11 to 13-year-old imagination box, Paige's 8, 10, 10-year-old imagination box, and my YA. So let's just start with Paige's box to give you an idea of what a box looks like. So the imagination boxes come with 3 books and a seasonal craft, and they are $32.99. So here is Paige's box. This is the November fall box. It is so cute. So I guess these could technically be considered spoilers. It depends on when you are watching this. So there's your heads up. Loving the beautiful fall crinkle. If you have littles, this is great for craft time. If you don't have littles, save it to wrap your Christmas presents with. Okay, she got Beatrice Zinker and the Upside Down Thinker. Ooh, a signed edition. Well, that's cool. Oh yeah, look. The author signed it. She is going to love that. Here is what the books looks like. I would say, yeah, Paigey is an upside down thinker. She's not a kid who just sits. She rolls and flips and twists and turns. This book has a retail value of $14.99, and it's a hardback. This one is Ada Lace, Take Me to Your Leader. Ooh. I could see my older one stealing this book. They're at that great age where, even though this would be under my 11-year-old's reading, because especially since she's started reading so early, she'll read anything, all the things. She loves reading. This book alone has a $17.99 retail value. Oh, it's about a 3rd grader. It says in here, it's about a 3rd grader, and my little Paigey is in 3rd grade. And then Hardy Boys Adventures. The Disappearance. So see, I think Big Sister will steal this one also. This book has a retail value of $17.99 as well. And then boxes that are not the YA box, but the smaller imagination boxes always come with the craft. My kids do these crafts every single time, and then they hang them. Oh, do I have any in here? No. They hang them in random places throughout my office, the bedroom, their bedroom, in the bathroom, on the windows. So it looks like this one is like a Goofy Gourd magnet craft. So once you make your gourd goofy, you can put it on the magnet, which means this one would end up on my refrigerator. For those of you who don't know, Cassie, who owns Albos Books, is actually a certified English teacher. She's been a teacher for forever. She is a book connoisseur, an avid reader. So she goes through these books and curates them based on what she would like to read and what she knows kids' levels are at. If you're ever unsure which one to sign up for, like which age range, because maybe your kid's an advanced reader or maybe your kid's a slower reader, you can reach out to Cassie and she will walk through with you based on a few questions that she has to help you choose the right age, especially if you're at a grandparent or you're giving this as a gift, or maybe you're making a donation of these boxes to the school. She can help you decide which one is the best to choose. Okay, here is Emma's box. This is the 11 to 13-year-old imagination box. Okay, she has The Legends of the Grimulax. Can I say that the colors on this book are gorgeous? It's very happy. Oh my gosh, it's $12.99 retail value, and it says from the hit show Unbreakable by Kimmy Schmidt. I wonder if Emma knows that. Like, I'm at that stage where she still watches pretty young TV, and she knows about all these shows that I don't know anything about. So she may know exactly who that is. The Emperor of the Universe, The Clone Catastrophe. And there is a cat in a spacesuit floating across on this book. This one has a retail value of $14.99. And this one is Charlie Numbers and the Woolly Mammoth. Okay. I don't know, but once again, it has a woolly mammoth, so I have to say she's probably going to love it. Retail value of $17.99. And then she has a craft in here as well. Even though she's 11, she has not outgrown the craft. She loves sitting down with her sister and doing the craft. And she got a, Goofy Gourd magnet too. So they'll have the same thing. They can do them together and put them on the fridge for fall. So you really have two options. You can sign a kiddo up to get this every single month, take advantage of the prepaid discounts, and just gift a regular subscription. If you don't want to gift the actual subscription, you can gift a gift certificate. All of the URL down below will take you to those things. If you want to get some grab bags to throw into stockings, the URL below will grab those as well. Or you can buy an official gift box, and gift boxes are available all the time. They're typically not on sale because they're such a good deal, but she is doing that Black Friday pop-up. I don't know when that expires, but I would think it would be safe to assume that it's going to open today with this video, which is what? Today's the 22nd. And I would think we could safely say the sale will end at or around Sunday the 27th. I think that's about whenever I'm seeing most Black Friday things. I forgot to ask her dates. I will ask her and I will update below in the description when those exclusive sales expire. But I feel like that was a good one to note. And then on the gift boxes, if you do it anytime you want to order one, whether it's for birthday, whatever, an all-A report card, we rewards for AB report cards, whatever it may be, you can tell Cassie, hey, wait and ship it so that it arrives on such and such date. And that's something she can do year-round. It's a little more popular during the holidays, but it is a year-round offering. Okay, this is my box. This is the 14 and up YA box. It is $29.99 and it comes with 3 books. Here is what mine looks like. I'm going to move this crinkle paper over. I've got a basket of it here. I'm saving all the crinkle paper to wrap gifts with at Christmas. As you can imagine, I get a lot of crinkle paper, so I have some pretty swanky looking gifts when I wrap things. Okay. The Deepest Root, 3 Unusual Friends, 1 Inescapable Bond. This one has a retail value of $17.99. All These Monsters. Oh, this one's thick. That's a big book. Like, look. This one has a retail value of $17.99. Fascinating. That's a hardy book. And then this one is Burn Our Bodies Down. Oh, dang. Beautiful colors on the cover. This one has a retail value of $18.99. And so these are the 3 that came in my box. I am pretty stoked about reading through like Thanksgiving, Christmas. When we get breaks is usually when I go get in the hot tub or sit on our patio and read. And so getting a fresh set of books right before the break is like perfect timing for me. So this is what typically you can expect in the YA box. Now, I've got this top secret bag, and I emailed and was like, what are we doing? Like, what is the top secret? Obviously, we created the giveaway that you guys are working on piecing the letters together to create that one word, and then we're looking for 3 more super creative words using that same set of letters. And she said, this is a spoiler, a sneak peek of one of the books that will be in the YA box for a December purchase. Ooh, I've got a spoiler book. I don't know that I've ever had a spoiler book before. Okay, well, this is just as exciting for me as it is for y'all because that's the box I'm subscribed to. Magic, Dark, and Strange. I love the cover, and I'm a judgy cover person. It's just all like raised texture right here. It has a retail value of $18.99. Catherine Daly has an unusual talent. By day, she works for a printer, but by night, she awakens the dead for a few precious moments with loved ones seeking final goodbyes. This is my kind of book. I love books that have a weird, strange, or intriguing storyline, but there's no way it could be real. Also, it's written for YA, so it's not stressful. Like, I feel like our everyday lives are stressful enough. I don't need to sit down and watch stressful TV or read stressful books. I want to like kind of disappear into a fantasy world when it's my personal time, and that's going to be great. If you are still not quite sure what you're thinking as far as boxes and books. I've opened Outpost for the past year. So you can check out the interview with the owner. I brought Cassie here to my studio so that you guys could actually meet her, meet the heart and soul behind the curation on this box. Go watch that video. I have another unboxing. I'll link it right here. This unboxing has every single box that she offers. I opened them all. We walked through everything. So if you want to see a few more examples of what boxes come in, or maybe you want to see the younger age range, that video is the one you're going to want to go see and check it out. And make sure you go down to the descriptions below. My descriptions are live. Like, I work so hard on them so that if you guys watch the video and you're like, oh, I like this, but you don't want to rewatch the whole video to get the information you need, I do put it down below. Coupon codes, URLs, descriptions, age ranges, prices. It's all down there for you guys. So go check that out. I can't believe we're like full on holiday season, but we are. We're all the way in doing all the shopping, all the Christmas light looking at, all the turkey prepping. It's actually making me very, very, very happy. I love this season. I love the cool weather. I love the community. And I love the challenge to be more thankful, to be like aware of thankfulness and the good that is in our world and the amazing people who are in our world and the amazing things that are happening. And so I feel like this is a great time for us to just sit and be thankful for small businesses, for excellent curations, for great values, for cool products. I love that there is a subscription box for everyone and that we are blessed to get to play here on the channel and find the ones that are the best match for us. So if you have not already, share this with a friend. You can share this video, you can share this channel. I would love to help other people through 2023 find subscription boxes that are a great match for them. I hope that you guys are having an amazing November. I hope that you have a super happy Thanksgiving. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all. Oopsie, I made a mess. Gonna go get my read on. Let's go.